We recently got inspired to redo our front porch. It's a deck that faces out west towards the ocean. And it started with getting a new door. Ever since we moved into our house, I dreamed about putting a Dutch door in to catch the afternoon sea breeze. So this is what our porch looked like before. It was just tired and in need of an update. I just could not believe after we put this Dutch door in the amount of light that came into this part of our living room. I decided to keep the back of our Dutch door a natural wood grain. I loved how it just accented nicely against all the white inside. And for the front, I wanted something neutral and different, so I went with a very light peachy pink from Dunn. Because our front deck has a very indoor-outdoor feel with our trifold doors, I decided to bring in lots of new elements, like a nice cozy throw for outside, cuddling up on the rocking chairs. I also decided to replace these two IKEA pillows that I had, so I found these pinkish pillow covers on Amazon for $13.99, and I love the color because it definitely ties in our front door and kind of pulls the space together. I definitely knew I needed to update my plant game here on the deck, so I had these old galvanized planters previously, and I just think that they needed a little bit of a refresh. So I went down to my local nursery, picked out some new things like Dusty Miller and some of these fun pink daisies to tie in the front door. I also just got some other natural looking plants, and I put them in these beautiful terracotta planters that I found at IKEA that were really inexpensive. The rocking chairs were actually a TJ Maxx online find. I did not know that you can order from TJ Maxx online, but sure enough I did, and I assembled them rather quickly, and they came with the pads and everything, and they have been such a great pop of just natural wood and color to all the white inside. I love looking out and seeing them. I'm a huge fan of layering rugs on top of each other, especially outside, so this fun striped outdoor rug was a HomeGoods find, and the braided just jute rug was a Target, Threshold by Target find, and I just think it adds another fun way to decorate up a space. I did make this old window flower box last year on YouTube, so I'll link to that below. And I found this black and white sign online. I loved it, and I love that it ties in the black hardware on our Dutch door. For the light fixture outside our front door, we actually decided to go with a copper material, and believe it or not, this is actually only a couple months old, but being so close to the ocean, things corrode really quickly. So we went with a copper because that's supposed to withstand time, and it eventually turns all turquoise. I thought it would be fun to add a pop of color and another little bit of element outside here, so I found this outdoor poof from Target, and it was $35 on sale. And the last thing you see here is this wicker side table. It's perfect for setting a drink on, and that was a HomeGoods find. Again, $35. Everything that I bought for outside, I wanted it to be affordable and simple.